Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchors are designed and made in the USA from billet aluminum and provide a stronger, more useful, and better looking option to the basic factory supplied tie-down anchors. They come in a variety of colors and options for various models. Today we'll be working on this 2016 Ford F-150. Here we have some red bed tie-downs for the F-150 that we'll be installing today. Note that no hardware is included with these since the original hardware is reused. Tools required for this job would be a ratchet or a nice impact like we have pictured here, a T30 Torx bit, and a utility blade or knife can come in handy for cutting bed liner. The first step is to get any bed lining off the bolt, and then the T30 bit can be used to loosen the factory hardware. Since the factory tie-down anchor will still be stuck with the bed liner, a knife can be used to cut around it. Now the new Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchor can be lined up and threaded by hand, and then tightened and torqued to 20 foot-pounds. The same steps can be repeated for the other 3 tie-down anchor spots on the truck. The fronts are horizontal rather than vertical, but the same process applies. So all 4 tie-down anchors are installed on this truck and they're looking great. Here's a quick demonstration of how tie-down straps can be used with these tie-down anchors. For a complete listing of bed tie-down anchors and more information, visit BilletTie-Downs.com. Thank you for watching.